Hello Nintendo Chit Chatters, I'm Eddy Ray for NintendoChitChat.com. Welcome back to more tutorial videos of RPG Maker Fes on the Nintendo 3DS. Shoutouts to NIS America for providing a copy of the game. And today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to do a cutscene in your game. It takes a bit of time to make it, so I'm going to make a very basic one for you guys, but I'll show you all the options you can use. And of course, again, let your imaginations run wild here. You can pretty much do a cutscene anywhere you want, from the beginning of your game to the end of your game, before and or after boss battles, or if they find, maybe if your player finds a special weapon or a rare item in the game, or just in certain scenarios to help your story along as well. Cutscenes are pretty cool. So let's do this. We have our initial position set up here in our castle, so we'll be doing a cutscene in this evil kind of castle here. It's not decorated, it's kind of generic right now, but that's okay. We're just using this test map right now to show you guys cutscene. So what we're going to do is this. We're going to hit the B button. Alright, and we're going to go to Edit Event, and of course, we're going to make a new event. So, we're going to set it up. Of course, you can always move it too. We're going to go into the middle part of the castle here, which is down this way. There we go. On this little kind of statue. We'll place it down here. Alright, so we're going to create event. Cool. Alright. And we could change the name here to say cutscene, intro, or whatever, something like that. We're going to put this on start. We're actually going to do this on auto execute. Now the cutscene, of course, you could do it when items used, investigation, when touched by an event, or when the character touches too, to kind of make the cutscene trigger. But we're going to do auto execute. I have kind of be in the beginning of the game. Excuse me. There we go. Cool. So this will be kind of the intro. As you come into the castle, this will take place automatically. Okay. Alright, so add event here. Plenty of options. Most of the cutscene stuff you're going to be using probably starts here in screen control, okay? But first, let's do some music. We're going to have the background music be a little bit different here. So let's figure something out here. Castle. Something more evil, right? Threat is pretty good. Yeah, we'll do threat. Alright, and of course you can change the pitch if you want to as well. Awesome. So we have the music playing, which is good. Alright. Let's go into screen control here. Let's have ourselves... Let me see. We're going to do, go to, move screen. So this is a pretty cool feature. You can kind of have the screen pan around the map area in certain directions to show different kind of areas of the map for your cutscene. Let's do this. So we can set the move point here. So our character is going to actually enter from here. I'll put the initial position there eventually. So we'll do this. We'll hit the A button. And our camera will actually pan just like this. Into that area there. That's pretty cool. And you can change the speed, and you can preview it as well. So preview on the slow speed, let's look at this. We'll hit the A button. So it starts at the bottom where we first started and selected the area. It pans over to the left. It follows the track up that I made up and then to the right. Cool. Alright, so that's kind of slow. Let's speed up to 3 here. Hit the A button here. And again, from the bottom, it starts where we selected our start point. That's pretty cool. Alright, so we'll confirm that. Speed 3 is fine. Awesome. Let's do a screen shake as well. So it shakes there. We're going to add a sound effect. So you can pretty much use all kinds of event controls here and contents for your scene. Sound effects, let's see, we'll get something kind of nasty, kind of like a beastly kind of thing, right? Let's see, enemy annihilation, dead end. Let's see, I know there's a pretty cool one I've used in my game down here. Undead Spirit might be good, pretty good. Or a dragon. We'll use the dragon. That's pretty cool. Alright, so dragon. Awesome. Alright, so we have the screen control, we have the dragon. We can also show an animation. So the order of this is the order your scene will happen in, so keep that in mind. Every little line item here is in order of how it's going to happen. So you can have the target be this event. You can have the animation happen on the hero, on another event, or overall. I'm going to choose overall for this, as it's not anything specific as far as where the animation should take place, just overall, not on the hero. But you could choose those options if you wanted to. So here's the animations. There's confetti, which is good for like winning a battle, or rescuing somebody, or the end of your game possibly. There's birds. There's some pretty cool explosions here as well. There's flames. That's pretty cool. I like that. You know what? We're going to use 3 for the dragon. Awesome. So we'll go on here. Now we'll add, let's see here. Let's add a subtitle. But before we add the subtitle, we're going to add in changing the screen color. And I've started to do this in my game as well, where I have the subtitles show. Before it was just showing over the overworld map, and the text was kind of hard to read depending where you were in the overworld or in the maps. So we'll change the screen to one of the colors here. You have lighten, darken, red, blue, sepia, or make black. I've been choosing black. That way the white text is nice and prominent on the screen for myself. But that's really a choice for you guys to make. You can have it happen instantly, fast or slow, preview it, and that's quick, right? I usually do normal. Normal's a bit of a fade. I like that a lot. You happen even slower than that. Here we go. Which is pretty cool. Kind of dramatic there with the slower and fast. It's really fast. Pretty much instantaneous. Although instant is instant. Fast is close to instant. Alright, so go to normal here. We'll confirm that. Okay, so now the screen will be black. Here's where you can add in your subtitles, or you can also add in messages too. Alright, so let's do a subtitle. I'll just do some quick text here for you guys to give you a little example here. Of course, nothing of substance really here. We'll do the dragons lair. I think L-A-I-R, right? Alright, go to the next line. Between us and peace. Cool. So you can actually add multiple pages of this as well. Hit the little plus button here. You can add in multiple pages for yourselves. Then it all goes in order. But we're on the first page here. That's enough. So you can have it scroll as well. Be like a lot of text. I probably would use that mostly for like staff or rolling kind of credits. I prefer the middle fade in here. There we go. The Dragon's Lair is the last battle. Oops. Dragon's Lair is the last battle. We'll just put 4 piece here. I'm not quite sure what I was typing there. It's kind of early in the morning here. I apologize, guys. Peace. We'll do this. We must win. How about that? This is all on top of my head here, so bear with me. Just an example here. Again, nothing of substance. The Dragon's Lair is the last battle for peace. We must win. And we want we here, like capitalized. There we are. Cool. Confirm. Okay. So the speed is fine. Confirm that. And then I'm going to go on to the next thing here. I'm going to go on to, let me see, subtitles. We'll go back to the screen changing. We'll have it fade back. So change screen color. So we'll fade to black, your subtitle, and then we'll go back to instant here. So we'll confirm that. There we go. Cool. So all of this is in order of how it will happen. We have the background music, the screen moves, it shakes, sound effects, the animation of the fire, change in the screen to black, the subtitle, and then reverting back to the original color of our screen. Awesome. So we're going to save this. Cool. And let's put a little switch here as well, so it turns it off. So switch is on, and we'll use... What switch do we have to use here for this? Go to switch 29, confirm that. All right, save that. So you can add in dialogue here with characters and movement and things like that as well if you guys want to. Really kind of be creative with it. You can use all of the options here for this scene. Hit B. All right, we're going to add a page here. Hit the A button. Add page. All right, and so page conditions here will then be that switch. So it turns everything off, and it's on auto execute right now. So if you don't do the switch, it will keep happening over and over and over in your game, pretty much breaking it, as your players couldn't do anything else in the game besides that. All right, there we go. Cool. Overwrite that. Let's just test this out. Let's put our initial position down here, because the camera starts from kind of this area here, so let's put our character starting there. Or when we come into the map, of course, this would actually happen too. We can actually do that. You know what? We're going to back out. Let's go to the Majestic Castle here. And this is the castle we were inside of with the interior, making the scene. So let's do this. We're going to set up our initial position right outside of here. Confirm. Awesome, save that. Okay, let's test play this baby. Here we go, from the beginning. So we start right here at the castle. Here we are. And as we go into the castle, what should happen is before we do anything else, the auto execute of that cutscene should take place. So here we go, guys. We go in. There's the music. Movement of the screen. Shaking. Watch the event log up here. The animation. The Dragon's Lair is the last battle for peace. We must win. And there we go. Cool. So one more time, we'll go back in. And now it's off. And perfect. Pretty cool, guys. So I'll do it one more time to show you that again. One more test play for you guys. All right. From the beginning. So we walk in. Auto executes. Here we go. Screen shakes. Animations. Subtitle. Pretty awesome. And the switch is off. Alright, now I'm trying to figure out why it's leaving me up there. The switch is off, but I can't get back to my characters, so let me figure that out here. And we go back out. Yeah, I'm not quite sure what's happening at that particular part. Let me see if I can figure that out for you guys. The switch being off, go back out to the other event here, edit map. Gotta go to the other map, actually, to the inside. Majestic inside, there it is. Cool. So let's look at this here. Why does the end happen there? That's the event right there. Edit, oops. I pushed the wrong button. Alright, edit event. There we go. Cool, there it is. Alright, let's look at this. Event content. Don't move. right. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out why that does that. I don't know. At the top of my head here, that switches off. We could add in something here too. We could add in this before the switch. We could actually make this a little bit easier for us. Move location. No, we want to do that. We want to do... Let's do heroes movement. Yeah, heroes movement. Alright, so this will be easier for us. We walk in. Let's do that. From place executed. Okay, good. That should fix it. At least it's a workaround, right? Alright. Go to test play that. Let's test play it. So that gives our hero a little bit of movement then at the end of that. From the beginning. Here we go. Alright, so our hero's in. Everything's taking place. The animation, the shaking, the music, sound effects. Cool. Our subtitle, the screen fades and fades back out. Awesome. It looks like it brings our screen back up to here. So I think I gotta fix this. Let me see here. You know what, if I bring this event down here, it might be even easier to do this. I'm gonna move this event down to here, because it kind of stops the event up there. So we're gonna put it right here. Let's see what that does. Alright, we're going to save that and try it one more time here, guys. I'm going to kind of debug this for you guys, so you kind of have a better idea of what to expect when you do your cutscenes. So from the beginning, I think it really depends where you place it, too. Alright, so everything's happening here. As expected, which is good. Awesome, there's the fire. Subtitle, perfect. I think we should be good to go. Depends where you place your event. Alright, the screen fades back out. Character came out. Let's see here. Let's test it one more time here. I kind of exited the castle myself by pushing down. I'm going to push up instead. Still not panning back. Maybe I actually have to pan back the camera itself. Yeah, let's do that. So we'll force quit. We're going to do this. We're going to edit. Let's go to that page here. Into the event content. Alright, so hero moves. Let's do that. We're going to insert this here. Alright, we're going to do one more screen control here. Oh, okay, yeah. We have to add this in. I almost forgot. You have to do this. Return moved screen to character position. I didn't add that in there. I actually forgot, and that's why it wasn't moving it back to the character. Duh. Okay, so we'll do that. Cool. Because if it doesn't move it back to the character, if your characters are there, you can't see them to move around properly. So there we go. So that will return the screen back to the moved character then at the end of all of this stuff. Cool. Sorry, guys. It's kind of early here as well. But you can learn from my mistakes. There we go. Alright, here we go. We got it. Perfect. Here we go. Cutscene time. Alright, we're in here. And just keep an eye on the event log above me here. Seeing all the order of the events take place. For the cutscene. That fire effect is pretty cool. And you could add in your dragon boss if you wanted to here, of course. We're just doing it kind of quickly here, showing you some basic ideas. Alright. There we go. Perfect. So there we are. little cutscene for you guys. So again, you can add cutscenes into your game pretty much anywhere from the beginning of your game, and in this case it was kind of entering the castle, so you can do maybe a cutscene per dungeon or for larger areas of your maps, for the end game, for boss battles, things like that. So keep that in mind. And again, make sure you move that camera back, the screen back to reset on the character's position. Very, very important. I actually forgot. I need some coffee or something. I'm Eddy Ray for NintendoChitChat.com. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to blast the like button, leave your comments, tips, and suggestions, and stay tuned for more RPG Maker Fes. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.